Hi, welcome back to my life. This is kind of deja vu. Today I had a That's So Raven moment and I had a vision of myself with bangs. Bangs.
Not the banging! The banging! Oh!
I know. Several things we are actually going to do today. My roots have grown out. Look at that rootage. I am gonna try to bleach my roots again. I'm gonna leave the split dye. I kind of like it, so I'm gonna leave it for now, and I'm too lazy to kind of do the other side. On top of that, I'm gonna re-bleach this part of my hair that's yellow. We're not gonna get a completely even look, but hopefully it's not yucky brown up here. And before we commence, I'm gonna have to switch out my glasses, so, okay. Now that we're good with that. A lot of people left comments last time about how coconut oil doesn't do anything, so I did not saturate my hair with coconut oil, and if my hair falls out, I'm just gonna blame it on you guys. So let's get started. I don't really have like a plan of action for my hair. I think I'm gonna bleach the top part of my hair while I'm doing the roots. I know someone's gonna leave a comment saying that's like a bad idea, but I'm just gonna do it for time's sake, efficiency. And if you haven't watched my other hair bleaching video, you should go watch that. That's how I got this whole situation going on. I'm using the Ion Booster. People on Reddit say it's a dupe for Olaplex, but I don't think anything can really beat Olaplex. And I'm gonna use my regular Clairol BW2 hair bleach and some 30 volume developer. So this is what my hair looks like on the bleached side. This is purple, and that's probably because this area is the lightest. So what we're trying to achieve today is just to get this as light as the purple area so that color can stick more evenly. I am just gonna go in now and split my hair up. Partition, if you may. I'm also gonna try to be quicker this time because last time I think I was just a little bit slow, which is why the bottom processed more than the top. And I have a mirror so I can actually see the back this time. So I'm just gonna start bleaching now. I basically use a ratio of 1 to do so 1 scoop of bleach and 2 scoops of developer. Although it was a little goopy, drippy, watery last time, so I think I'm gonna go like 1.5 scoops of developer for 1 scoop of bleach. So hopefully it's not that bad. And yeah, let's just get started.
Pampers, the #1 pediatrician recommended brand.
I have a feeling today's gonna be a failure, so I'm already too deep in, I can't do anything.
And at all the prices, aka really low. I wouldn't die, she already loves all.
So this is how the bleaching turned out, and my hair did not fall off. I'm genuinely so surprised that the roots lightened. Like, they're not the same color as my hair, but it's pretty, it's light. And then this is the status of my split. Okay, I really feel like this section is still kind of dark. You can kind of see that strip of yellow compared to the roots over here, which are so light. Oh my god, the difference. We're just gonna cut my bangs. So, I haven't had bangs in a while, and I kind of want to be a little more ambitious this time and cut really thick bangs. I had a hairdresser tell me once that my hairline is way too far back, so I would never be able to do dense bangs, so I could always only have like a few strands of hair as bangs like that. Like, that's it. But I'm not a hairdresser, so I'm allowed to do whatever I want with my hair, and that means we're cutting thicker bangs. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with just half of this for now, see how that looks, and if it looks okay, I might add more hair to cut. I'm kind of scared. I also don't know how much I want to cut off. And I have a pair of hair cutting scissors, I think. I have seen people do this with craft scissors, and honestly, I don't think that's good for your hair, so I have this. This is actually my grandma's. She brought this from China, so I'm gonna trust that they work. Okay, good. I'm just getting thumbnails right now. I'm gonna cut it below my eyebrows for now, and then we can always fix that. Yeah. I'm genuinely so scared. My loneliness is killing me. Oh, I don't know what I feel right now. This is not cute. I think what we need is to just cut this shorter. Although I've never had bangs shorter than this, like where my eyebrows are, so I'm kind of scared. This is so hard. Oh my god. Okay. Wow, that was not straight at all. Don't look at it, I'm shy.
That looks good. Wait, let me see.
No, it's not there yet.
Oh, it's coming together.
I look like a bull right now.
No, it looks like this barcode scanner.
Oh no. Should I make it shorter?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna cut some more for my bangs. If you're watching this and screaming, don't worry, I'm also screaming on the inside. I think that's good. And then I want to make this straight again. Why am I so bad at cutting? Oh my god. I think that's good for today. I think we can't just leave it like this. We're gonna do that thing where you go in from the bottom and fringe it out. I know at this point you probably have no faith in me anymore, but I'm a strong believer in trust the process, and I'm hopeful, so let's be hopeful together. I look even more ridiculous in person. Oh, this is so bad. Oh my god. Maybe it's just my face that needs to be fixed. Well, okay. It looks cute like this. Alright, now that I have completely molested my hair, I think we're gonna just tone it and then pray for the best. The other thing I could do is I could dye it pink. I honestly hate myself, but I think we're gonna go for pink. I don't know why I picked pink. I just think it might be easier to color correct because it's not really that even. Still, I have this hair dye that I used earlier in the year to like dye the front piece of my hair, and I still have a lot left, so I'm gonna use this, some hair conditioner, and also I have this color corrector. I don't really know if it's gonna do anything for my hair because I'm dyeing it pink, but this is the color corrector. Now you're kind of confused about the mirror, but this is what I'm using. It's the Ardell Red Gold Corrector. It was on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't know why I thought this hairstyle was appropriate for this hair, but I don't know, it's kind of cute. And this is way more than I expected. I'm still kind of feeling out the bangs, but you guys can let me know what you think about these because I've never had bangs like this much bang. So these glasses are too much. I'm getting very strong punk rock meets K-pop meets Scott Pilgrim vibes from this. I don't think I've ever had bangs this dense. It's such a different look on me. I don't know. Is that cute? Honestly, this would look so good if I bleached my eyebrows And then I dyed my eyebrows pink. I don't know if I should do that. Maybe I should do that now. So stay tuned. I think I might do that now. I like this. Do I like this? No. I think I like this. I don't know. What do you guys think? Just for reference, I'm gonna put my hair up again. And I think it looks really cute with the hair up. It looks brighter on camera. I don't know why. So it's kind of like a muted pink in some areas. And then this is very hot pink. And my ring keeps on dragging hair out, but maybe that's a look. And I can't wait for my coworkers to see me because I'm like a shy Asian nerd when I'm at work. But now look at me, I'm a shy Asian nerd with pink hair. And then this is what I look like with the middle, not middle part, side part. This is what I look like with the side part. I think this looks actually really cool. This is basically what I would look like if I just dyed my hair pink completely. Like that. And now I really want to do that. This is giving me very strong like Halloween vibes. I also look like I have a wig on, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I kind of like it when my bangs are like swooped up. It's kind of a little like volume. Yeah, I don't know. It's like a love-hate relationship I have with this right now. I mean, I kind of like this. Is like a 80s, 90s style hairstyle kind of type thing, and I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, wait, that's kind of cute. Wait, calm down. That's kind of cute. That's basically it for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and if you didn't, please also like and subscribe because I'm pink now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you next time. Peace.